Hello, welcome back to another review video. We're going to be reviewing this Laser 4919 pipe bender, just in case you're thinking about buying it. We're using it for brake pipes, but it does a variety of other pipe sizes as well.
Yeah.
I'm just going to show you
just how easy it is
to bend, and also then the quality of the tool.
So literally I've positioned it, if you know the pipe is behind that and is on the right track there, literally that's it.
It does really nice bends.
Take it out, that's it. Now I've done all those bends on there.
This is just a piece of
messing about with it
pipe.
basically.
It's got different size pipe things on it.
Yeah, so when you put it in, it just needs to be behind that. It's a bit tight this bend, but I can do it. There you go. Pop it out.
So let's have a look at the tool. So there's 3 different sizes of pipe you can do. The brake pipe we're using, 4.75 I think, is the middle one. It's blue colour, nice silver parts that rivets.
It's good quality, easy to use.
Very easy to use.
It's got 45 degrees there.
It's got the, yes, like John says, it's got the angled denotations there.
So if you want to do a bend within your pipe, you just need to pop it in there like that. Just show that.
So you can do bends within bend, but you have to pop the tool inside it.
I mean, basically that's a piece of art now, isn't it?
Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully that's helpful to you.